time freestyle guy out here. Huge jumps. Just kidding. About as big as it gets for a double for this guy though. Day 2, getting ready to go.
You got like 3 feet of air that time.
Nobody else is doing it. Nobody else is sizing it up. Heading out on another ride. We got, I think, 6 of us today. Mostly Huskies, which is crazy. All 2-strokes today. I think everybody's a little played out from yesterday. We had a pretty hard ride. So, pace is lower for sure. And it rained last night, so we got to make sure that ride accordingly. Doesn't look like it rained here, but it did sprinkle pretty much everywhere, so might knock the dust down a little. It's a little chilly. I think it's actually, it sounds like we're gonna get some snow tonight, so might have timed our little trip just right. Got our new friend Cody in front of us here, riding that Husky 300. I think it's a 300 anyways. But rode with him yesterday and today again. Fits good in our group, he can ride for sure. Yeehaw! Had a little warm-up break there. Everybody's cold. Probably, I think it was like 38 degrees, 40 degrees. The air's chilly. It's not going to get much warmer today. Early spring conditions. Fun trails in here. It's all nice and flowy, pretty easy. This is the way we came back yesterday. I didn't have enough GoPro battery to get all that, but yeah, kind of always one of the main loops out here. Try to stay out of some roost here. Randy's pretty good to ride behind for roost a lot of the time, but he always holds the throttle on pretty hard at low RPMs, and he comes off like little tiny bumps and just blasts you with a shovelful sometimes. So I learned to watch out for that. I don't want to get smoked with a rock or something like that. Cruise along this bottom stuff for a while, and then we start climbing pretty aggressively up onto the ridge to my right here pretty soon, and it's always challenging. Get a little bit of a warm-up ride before, but always gets the heart rate going. Always easy to miss this turn. Good trail etiquette from the boys there. I'm just bringing up the rear today. Usually I'm close to the front or at the front, but just chilling today. Hadn't ridden my bike in a month, so just getting my body used to it again. Having fun just trail riding. Don't need to go fast. It's a long riding season ahead of us, and we want to ride as much as we can, so there's no sense in getting hurt or overdoing it. Staying healthy is way more valuable than going fast. Chunky rocks coming up. It gets much more loose and gravelly coming up here pretty quick, if I remember right. There, don't want to hit that. See if we can press your mic here. He's Mr. Speedy Gonzalez right now. He's rich. Got a new lease on life, Mr. Gung Ho here. Damstrom's running a good pace, keeping everybody calm. I always kind of try to do that a lot of the time too in the morning. Ease into it, guys. Oh, some deer. stay out of the roost of the old IRC on the back of that thing. It's got some pretty big mean knobs on it. Oh, Mike with the pass. Chunky section, little slick. As you can see by the tire lock up there. Oh, I don't know what he said. We got Mike and Mike, the speed demons today. I'm gonna say that looks like a gnarly line. Oh yeah, that's gnarly.
Better than that.
What's that?
We've done better than that.
Oh yeah.
That rock there, if I want to, but I don't, you know?
I'm gonna say I don't know if he had the aggression that he needed there.
I don't even know how to double pin.
We have determined we're all chickens, not going for that line. Not ashamed to admit. I blasted up a pretty good ledge yesterday that was kind of at the top of my pay grade, so I don't need to be doing anything more than that. Too bad I didn't have camera for it, I don't think. I think it died before then, but it is what it is. You can trust that I did it. I got nothing to prove on dirt bikes. I'm only getting worse and slower as I get older, so no need to try to prove anything anymore. Section always beats the hands up a little bit. Beating my stomach up right now. I had 2 breakfasts and I did not need that. If we're being honest. Attaboy, Mike. Whew. I ain't got that in me right now. That was a little dicey. Nice lines though, boys. Nice line, Mike. Some cool sections in here. Oops, sorry. Chunky. Lots of rock here. Now we climb. This is a good hill if I remember right too. I think there's this pretty spicy ledge a little ways up it. On the old respiratory system, usually. Kind of switch back and then that big old nasty ledge gets you.